Today I am going to make a diaper just like this one. Doesn't have to have writing because this is a bit of a bad diaper. I don't know, I've made better ones, but here's my Baby Live, and I'm going to show you how to craft a diaper with a sock, a marker. Use Expo. If you can use like whatever, Sharpie, Expo, whatever you want. I recommend an Expo or a washable marker because it's not gonna sink through. But if you have too thick of an Expo marker, then you're gonna draw on your Baby Life, and that'll ruin it. So don't do that. So yeah, all you're gonna need is scissors, a sock, and a marker. So get a damaged sock. Make sure no one is using the sock right now. Mine is free. No one is using it right now. And yeah, I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so take your stuff. The Baby Life is over there now. It's not over here. Take your stuff, your sock, your scissors, and your Expo washable or Sharpie, whatever. And first take your sock and your scissors or your pen, because you don't want to draw on your Baby Life right now. Draw on your, okay. So, what to do? Let me show you. So take the sock, take your scissors, and just, I don't know, you can mark where you want to cut it, of course, but I just freehand it. So just cut it all the way across here or wherever. I'm just going to see you guys when I cut it. So this is the sock. It may have like these wrinkles, but that's fine. So you're gonna get your scissors again. Cut a little hole right here. Or if you want, you can fold it over and then cut one right here. I just prefer to do it like this, and then cut another one right here. So like this. Now that's a lot of holes right there. May not be even enough, but whatever. And then this little foldy part right here, that can act as like a belly button if you want to, but there's one in the back, so I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't know. But after you do that, place it down, get your marker, open it up, and just draw a little diaper on there, like an actual diaper is. Okay. Sorry if that took very long. Then you can also draw a little triangle right here and here. That. And I don't have any safety pins on me currently, but I would definitely recommend putting a safety pin right here. You can see just right here and right here. Oh crap. There's your diaper. Right. Don't do these dots. I'm just showing you where you should put the safety pins. And I'll try it on my Baby Live right now.